Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: iPhone updated, Siri enabled, and the Hyundai parked with ignition on. Plug a lightning cable into the car USB port or prepare wireless pairing. This matters because wired gives instant connection while wireless needs one-time setup. Open the Hyundai Infotainment CarPlay menu, then tap Allow on the iPhone if prompted. Once done, make sure the screen displays the CarPlay Home. This verifies the connection and lets you move to app setup without delay. Now configure CarPlay for driving. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then CarPlay to rearrange apps, add favorites, and remove clutter. This reduces distraction. Use the steering wheel voice button to call Siri. You'll keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Within CarPlay, switch audio sources and select navigation voice volume. That ensures directions are audible over road noise. If maps route differently than you expect, check your iPhone's location services and traffic settings, then re-enter the destination. To finish a drive, unplug the USB or choose Disconnect for wireless CarPlay. That cleanly ends the session. If CarPlay won't load or apps freeze, restart your iPhone and cycle the car's infotainment power. This clears temporary faults. If problems continue, reset iPhone network settings or check for a Hyundai software update because outdated firmware often causes disconnects. One key troubleshooting tip: if Siri fails, toggle Siri off then on in settings and test again. That often restores voice control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.